Speaking up for safety is in line with our values of respect, compassion and patient-centred care.
We value courage and respect.
And we are all encouraged to speak up for safety.
If you see something, then say something.
Speak up.
Speak up.
Speak up.
Please speak up for safety.
There is no communication more important
Then speaking up if you see or think something may be a safety issue.
Can I check that you washed your hands when you entered the room?
Is your mask above your nose?
I feel like we should be doing things differently. Can we talk about it?
I can speak up.
I can.
I can.
I can.
If you see something that you're not too sure of, make sure you follow the safety code. Check what the correct procedures are. Provide options to solve the problem. Demand or request joint action or decisions in a respectful manner. If you're still worried, make sure you elevate your concern to another staff member more senior than you.
So as part of our team, we're relying on you to speak up and advocate for the safety of our patients and staff.
It doesn't matter if you speak up and turn out to be wrong.
The most important thing is that you spoke up in the first place.
At times, it may seem difficult.
But you have my support each and every time.
As Chief Executive for the South, I'd really like to encourage everyone to speak up for safety, for our patients, our staff and our clients. It's very important that if we notice that something isn't right, that we do actually at the time speak up for the care of our patients and our clients.
If you speak up, I will listen.
I will listen.
I will listen.
I will listen.
If something doesn't look right, I will speak up respectfully because I've got your back.
I have your back.
I have your back.
I have your back.
And I value your assistance.
I value your assistance.
Safety is everyone's responsibility.
Safety is everyone's responsibility.
Our patients are trusting us with their lives.
Which is why they count on us to speak up for their safety.
Thank you for speaking up.
Thank you for speaking up.